They got some footage, yeah?
I've done some mad shit. Bit too far out
You on the vlog? Nice one.
Bro, give me a message on Facebook to Mark Henderson or Chandler. Send me your name and I'll put it on YouTube.
Can I go on YouTube?
Yeah, whatever. Yeah. Just send me a message on or Insta or whatever. Got any of them or YouTube will be fine.
Yeah, all of those.
Yeah, send me a message.
YouTube, Twitter.
Yeah. I'll give you my number, WhatsApp or whatever.
Yeah.
Just send me. Just so I've got. In fact, you got your name on your badge?
No, Leon. Cheese, remember? Leon.
Leon what?
Narciso.
Yeah, that's
That's
easy. Wanker, eh? Dead easy, mate. Yeah. I had it there 2 minutes ago.
What do you reckon to the new 101 layout?
I like it, I do. It's a bit jumpy, isn't it? You've got to be quick and you've got to get over it.
Yeah.
There's two I can't do. I can't do that front one and I ain't got over the triple. We went yesterday, but it fucking pissed it down. It was horrible. Yeah, didn't even do half loud. Did one corner and pulled off and went got my money back. So travelled up here instead and camped over for.
Did you get a minivan?
Yeah. Well, I got free ride.